Hello, and welcome again on the series. So today we are going to see the remaining types of bond. So today I'm going to cover three types of bond, that is sovereign bond, green bond, and blue bond. So let me start with the sovereign bond. So sovereign bonds are considered to be the safest investment in the world, and the sovereign bonds are basically nothing but they are the debt instruments like by which any government bodies can raise funds, etc., to fund their various projects, right? And unlike other type of bonds, in this particular bond or type also the investor can get certain amount of interest for certain period, right? And yeah, like till the maturity period. So yeah, and next we will see what are blue bonds and green bonds. So you can refer this article and read it about from here. And like the blue bonds are basically issued by the government in order to fund various projects which are related to the mining in oceans and marine projects, right? It can be something which is related to the fishing policies, etc. So yeah, and if we talk about the green bond, so you always say, right, the government has started many various projects which are in the field of green energy, right, renewable and sustainable. So yeah, for funding these kind of projects, these kind of bonds are being issued, which is also known as green bonds, in order to fund those. So yeah, that's it about today. Tomorrow we will see what are mutual funds, what is mutual fund, and the remaining types of bonds. So yeah, thanks.